Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. Today I want to tell you about ourselves, yeah. Professional ethics as a part of the uh, ethic and professionalism, yeah. I'm Marina Tiasa from Nusa Putra University, Sukabumi, yeah. Uh, say ethics originate from two words, yeah, which is almost the same it sound but different meaning. First originate from say ethos, which mean habit or custom, while the second one from the word ethos, which mean feeling inner or tendency inner which drives man in his behavior. According to Dictionary Indonesia, Department of Education and Culture 1988, ethics explained with differentiate three meanings as follows. One, the knowledge about what is good and what is bad, and about right and moral obligation or ethics. Two, basic set or relevant values with morals. Three, mark about correct and wrong belief in group or society. Values ethic must place as runway or base consideration in every human behavior, including activities in science field, yeah. And value is intended condition or quality, object or activities that make its existence, ownership or effort chasing become something desired by individual society. Values not always nature subjective because it's still referring to on context social that forms individual and that on its turn influenced by him. Aspect mark this is what makes ethics as a theory about connection between personal and differentiate it from values intellectual or aesthetic solely. Value ethical in a way logical can realize in the relationship between man with fellow man, yeah. Understanding ethics. Ethics originate from word ethos, which means character, disposition, decency, or custom. According to Martin, ethics defined as the discipline which can act the performance index or reference for our control system. Ethics are a reflection of what is called self-control, because everything is created and implemented from and for the interest of the social group or profession itself. The word ethics is identical to the word moral because morals concern human morals. For example, a person's actions are said to violate moral values, which can also be interpreted as violating the ethics, values, and norms that apply in society. Ethical function, according to Bertens 1994, say ethics can use in meaning values and moral norms that become handle for someone or something group public in arranges behavior. Ethics means gathering principle or moral values which are meant. Here is code ethics. Ethics have meaning again, science about the good or bad. Ethics here the same, it means with the moral philosophy. And miscellaneous ethics. Descriptive ethics, namely ethics that strive looking to the telescope in a way critical and rational attitude and behavior man and what is being pursued by man in life. This is something of value. Ethics descriptive give fact as base for take decision about behavior or willing attitude. And then normative ethics, namely ethics that teach various attitudes and ideal behavior patterns that humans should have in their life every day. Normative ethics also provide assessment and norms as a basic and framework for actions to be taken. And viewed from side knowledge, ethics the same it means with moral philosophy, Ethics is science that discusses about morality or investigated moral behavior. In addition, that ethics also notice and consider behavior men in take moral decision, and also direct or connect use reason individual character with objectivity law determine truth or error from behavior to others. Ethics shall become two, namely ethics general and ethics special, or for special condition. Ethics general discuss basic moral principle, where ethics in special apply principle based on each field in a life of a man. Special ethics, these have become individual ethics that include obligation meant to self alone, and ethics social that talk about obligation meant as a member people human. For that can depicted scheme about ethics as following. Now, general ethic, ethics, special ethic, individual ethic, and then social ethic, and then social ethic, fellow ethic, family ethic, professional ethic, political ethic, community ethic, ideological ethic, and then from professional, biomedical, law, knowledge, and many more, and ethics in a way general set become two. General ethic teach about conditions and basic how it should be man, and in a way ethical how else human behavior ethical, theories ethics and basic moral principle that become handle for men in act as well as benchmark in evaluate good or the bad on action. Ethics general can also analogies with knowledge, which discuss about understanding general and ethical theory. Special ethics is implementation basic more principle in field of life. Implementation this can be tangible, how a person behaves and acts in his life and professional activities specifically based on moral ethics. However, the implementation of that can also tangible how humans behave or carry out actions in life toward others. Special ethics are divided into two. Individual ethic, namely concerning obligation and attitude meant to himself alone, and ethics social, namely regarding attitudes and obligation, as well as pattern behavior meant as members socialize. Social ethics covering many fields including attitude to fellow, ethics family, ethics profession, ethics politic, ethics environment, ethics ideology. From systematic in above, we can say that professional ethics is field ethics special or application which is product from ethics social. Now, ethical assessment. Point heavy evaluation ethic as a science is on action, good or evil or bad, immoral or no morality. Actions or behavior someone who has become characteristic for him or has bleeding meat. That's what it's called moral or kindness character. The growth of character in soul, if has born in from action, his name character. So a kindness character basis his assessment is from in soul, from while in the form of dreams, ideals, intention, heart, until he was born go out in the form of action, real. And then opinion of Franz Magnificent Suseno. According to Franz Magnificent Suseno, 1991-70, profession that must different type in two type, namely profession on generally and profession sublime. profession on generally. At least there is two mandatory principles enforced, namely 1. Principles for running his profession in a way responsible answer, and 2. Respect to rights other. Understanding responsible answer is concerning good on his job and also the result in the meaning in question must operate his job with as good as possible with good quality result. In addition, that is to demand that the impact work done no until damage environment alive, meaning honor and right others. Yeah. A noble profession. In noble profession, official or noble motivation, the main thing no for to obtain living from the work he did. Inside that also there is two important principles, namely prioritizing interest the person being helped and demand sublime profession. For carry out a noble profession in a good way, should high morality from the perpetrator. 3 characteristic high morality is brave. Do it determined for act in accordance with demand profession. Aware will his obligation on high idealism. Yeah. And then definition of profession. Profession is work that is carried out in relation to special expertise in the field of work. A profession is a job related to a field that is dominated by education and expertise, followed by a full-time work experience, implemented by relying on his expertise. And then definition of professional. People who have profession or work finish time requires special training over a period of time. Life from work that would depend on a high expertise. Life with practice a skill certain or with involved in a activity certain in accordance his expertise. Have an education special, namely skill and skills and on-base education and training as well as experience within a period of time to support his expertise. Understanding the rules and standards of professional moral and professional ethics in their field of work. Try to put interest first society, meaning every executor profession must put interest personal in lower interest public. This is in specifically from the authorized agency for operate his profession, organized in a parent organization as its supervisor. A professional required to have 1. Knowledge, 2. Implementation skill, 3. Not quite enough answer social, 4. Self-control, 5. Social ethics according to one's profession. According to Brandeis, as quoted by a Patton Jr., 4 can count as profession, then work that alone must reflect existent support in the form of 1. Characteristic features knowledge or intellectual character, 2. Dedicated for interest of the other, 3. Success the know based on profit, financial, and supported by existent professional association and organization. Profession, the among other things determining various professions which are called ethics, and also responsible answer in advance and distribution the professional concern. D is determined existent standard, the qualification profession. And thank you for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.